Today I'm going to show you how to crop in CapCut for an image in just a few simple steps. This is a super useful skill if you want to resize a picture, focus on one part of the image, or make your content fit a specific format for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, or any other platform. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open CapCut and make sure your project is already created. Then drag your video or image into the timeline. Once it's on the timeline, click on the clip so it becomes selected. This is important because CapCut won't let you edit the crop settings until the item is active. After that, look just above the timeline for the toolbar. On that toolbar, you'll see the crop icon. Click on it to open the crop tool. Now you have two main options. You can either manually crop by dragging the corners of the frame until the image is framed exactly how you want, or you can choose a fixed aspect ratio from the pop-up if you want a specific size, like 1:1916, 16:9, or another preset. Manual cropping is great when you want full control over what stays in the frame, while preset ratios are perfect when you need your image to match your platform's requirements quickly and accurately. Take a moment to adjust everything carefully so the most important part of your image stays visible. Once you're happy with the crop, click Confirm to apply the changes. CapCut will instantly update the image in your timeline, and now your crop is complete. You can always go back and adjust it again if needed, so don't worry if you want to fine-tune it later. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to crop in CapCut using both manual adjustment and aspect ratio presets. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial.